probably was the most wonderful part of the entire thing, was just how attentive and truly professional and patient, I'd say as well, that the Bravo team was. The execution has just been fantastic. It's been just awesome. That's 5 gold stars across the board. Nobody's had a single moment, I would say, of even an inkling of frustration. And we ask a lot. We're pretty, boutique, I'd say, in our wanting to do things our way. So, there's been some compromise back and forth, but it's been really easy to navigate. And in general, it was awesome. And I wasn't working in the deeper tech side of that, but from the kind of more macro perspective, I really just thought it was fantastic. And I think Greg could add some depth to that in terms of, he really was leading the charge with a few people on the actual, I don't know what you call it, transition, right?
Yeah. I agree wholeheartedly with what Sam said. I would give that 5 stars from the sales process. I mean, we have a history with Steve and Tally, so that was easy to go through that process with them. But our project manager Cynthia was amazing. Christy's been amazing. Mandy, the trainer that came, was amazing. The fact that the conversions went as smoothly and as accurately as they did was amazing. And then even moving forward, now that we're on the platform, the few issues that we've reported, the staff's been ultra responsive in resolving any issues we've had. And like Sam said, we're pretty picky about things, and we've done some customizations, paid for you guys to do some customization work for us, and that has all been just awesome across the board. Nothing but good things to say there.